Today, we're going to show how comatch can help anyone start, build, and manage the back office operations of an early stage startup. And if you don't have a team yet, my co-founder, Avida, will show you how you can find one through comatch as well. Avida.
Okay, this is our co-founder matching feed, and our algorithm analyzes over 30 factors to surface your best matches. And it's not a keyword search, it's a compatibility scoring using experience, vision, personality type, skills, commitment, and equity range. And every profile you see in this feed is already pre-filtered. And also every field you see on this card is engineered to help you better evaluate if this person is your co-founder or not. So if you click on this profile, we can also see their education and professional experience and relevant links. And one thing about our algorithm is that the more you use it, the better it gets. So if you want to pass on this person, swipe left. If you want to know more about this person, swipe right.
Once you have co-founders, you'll be onboarded to this collaborate section where you'll be able to add your co-founders from matches, or if you already have one or few, you can add them through email invitation. Then you guys will be sharing this whole collaborative workspace that is going to be a startup command center where you can send messages to each other or create groups to track your projects. And later you'll be going to this task section where you'll be able to onboard your co-founders properly, having proper discussions, legal agreements one by one. And in that period, it's going to be taking you to this legality section where you'll be doing this founder agreements, which is automatically generated by our AI. And you just have to look at the terms and sign it. And then you have this IP assignment. You have this save documents that's going to protect your startup in the future in terms of like dispute among co-founders. You guys all will be protected. You have this equity section where you'll be able to manage your cap table and your vesting schedule. If you want to add someone new, like an investor or a startup co-founder, you can add them here, and our AI agent will handle all of those things for you. So going back to task, before you are doing this thing, if you're new to the startup world and you don't know how to do it, you can go to this idea stage validation where you can complete each task, and all of those steps are trained through our LLMs with YC videos and PG's essays to give you the best practices of starting a startup and building it successfully. Now going back to the adding task, you can add a task like this just by right-clicking on the right side. Or if you don't want to do it manually, you can ask our AI agent. For example, here I'm asking it to assign a task to Avida for Cloudboard integration for the next month. And I just ask it to do it. It's processing. Now I go back and you can see next month it has added the task, it has assigned, and also it gave it a high priority. So then going back to the task, if you complete a task, all of those things will be integrated into this analytics section where you'll be able to see your progress, week progress, your monthly, your quarterly progress, your performance trend, like how well your startup is going. And also this is like Git commit, like how much you're contributing to your startup, each of the team member. Then you have this mailbox section. So all of your emails is centralized in one platform, and our AI will categorize them when you have new emails and also add it to your calendar so that you are not missing out on any customer interviews or demos in future. Same goes for file section. Everything is managed here. Finally, you have this financial sections, which is really crucial for a startup. You can connect to your business account and you'll be able to track your income. You'll be able to track your expenses. And also you can set budget categories for different projects. So you're not running out of cash and not spending too much. So for that, you have this runway analysis. So you'll be able to see how long you can last and also your net burn rate, which is really crucial for startups.